Hi, and welcome to Marchborns. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and use your Habit Tracker Planner spreadsheet. This habit tracker is available in both Excel and Google Sheets. In this tutorial, I am using Google Sheets, but the Excel version works the same way. It is available in both light and dark modes and is designed to help you build consistent habits and stay on track with your daily routines. Over the next few minutes, I will guide you through its features so you can set it up, use it effectively, and get the most out of it. Let's begin with the README tab. In the README tab, you'll find a quick start guide with simple instructions. Please keep this in mind while using the template. Do not edit any cells that have a background color. These cells are protected to prevent accidental changes to formulas, which could affect how the template works. If you try to edit one of these cells, you may see a warning message like this. If that happens, simply click on the X or press Cancel to exit and continue using the planner safely. Now let's move to the Habit Tracker tab. Start by selecting the month. Double-click on the month cell and choose the first day of the month from the calendar pop-up to begin tracking. Next, enter your daily habits in the Daily Habits column. You can add up to 25 habits. Let me add a few examples here. Simply tick the checkbox once completed. The tracker will automatically monitor your progress, current streak, and longest streak. Let's go to below Weekly Habit section. You can write the habits that are not daily, but is on weekly basis. Enter them here. Let me add examples here quickly. Tick the checkbox when completed. This will help you track your weekly progress and see completed versus pending habits. You can also track your monthly habits in the monthly section. Just enter your habits here. Let me add a few examples. Mark them as completed to monitor your overall progress. Finally, use the monthly reflection and notes section to review your performance, add notes, or even include images for better tracking. That concludes the complete walkthrough of the Habit Tracker Planner. I hope this tutorial helps you easily set up and customize your spreadsheet. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out anytime. And don't forget to follow Marchborns on Etsy and YouTube for updates, new templates, and future releases. Thank you, and happy habit tracking!